Hey, Scott Houck here, and we're in video number 6 of our magic formula for manifesting anything you want. And this video is our final one, very crucial one, so definitely watch it all the way through. We're going to be talking about the general concepts that are focused on success, okay? Because you're 5 videos in already now, and this is the 6th video, and I hope you watched all 5 so far. And if you haven't, go back to those videos. This mini-series is just little bite-sized chunks. It's allowing you to observe one step in our system, and then an exercise to follow, okay? And when you start to do this process, you start to really gain a lot of ground on where you want to go to in manifesting this thing into your life that you decided on in video number 2. Okay, so video number 6 here is all about a lot of people doubt and worry because they're saying their goal out loud all day, and that works. But if you're feeling frustrated, doubtful, and worried that it's going to actually come into your life, you're going backwards. Okay, because we manifest based on feeling, not based on the words we say out loud. All right, so what we can do from here is, so video number 1, we talked about knowing yourself. Video number 2, we started to create that clear mental image of what you wanted in description. Video number 3, started to feel into that image, okay? Video number 4, we understood that there's a lot more forces around us that are helping and aiding us on our journey, okay? Video number 5, we started to talk about if there's a mental block stopping you from where you want to get to, how to start dissolving that, okay? And then number 6 here, we want to really start to say, all right, I've activated this, I did all the work in the videos, now stop thinking about that thing and just think about a general concept. So instead of saying out loud, I now receive $500, I now receive $500, instead of doing that, let that go, and then start thinking of general principles about yourself. I'm a master manifester. I'm a 7-figure entrepreneur. I am highly successful. I achieve everything I set my mind to. So you take a general concept that relates to yourself, okay? And you want to say that out loud every day for the next 7 days, 50 times, okay? So don't judge whether you manifested that thing into your life that you decided in video 2 for the next 7 days. So whatever today is for you, wait 7 days to even see if results are coming in. Don't search for it, don't look for it, don't doubt, don't worry, none of that stuff, okay? You want to just go ahead and focus on a general concept for yourself, okay? Focus on that general concept, and then allow yourself to actually feel into the concept you're saying out loud, okay? Try this out, okay? Make sure you got it here, your general concept. Go ahead and mention in the comments below to keep yourself accountable, okay? Make sure all 6 videos are watched in full, okay? And then make sure you don't judge your results for the next 7 days, okay? You will manifest something into your life. It's a magic formula. I'm telling you, everybody I've ever given this to, it works. It always works, okay? So make sure that you do all 6 parts of the video here, all right? Again, if you want to check out starting to teach this material, you want a roadmap on how to start a business doing it, how to market to enroll clients, how to really become a master manifester, go in the description below. We have a certification that you can become part of, and it will really blow your results out of the water. You'll get to shoot up to the next level very quickly, helping people transform their lives and do greater things. All right? Hey, it's Scott Houck with this 6-part video series. I hope you really enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as well while you're here, and throw a like on the video also while you're here. Okay, I look forward to hearing about your result. If you have a result, okay, share it in the comment below as you get your result to come in, because we love to hear about the success stories as well. If you have any questions, let me know as well. I'm always on the channel answering those questions, and so you have guidance and help along your path, right? I'll see you over in the next video.